When your heart feels tired, when the world feels heavy, remember Allah did not create you to be broken. Allah tells us to walk the earth, to see His signs, to discover His mercy hidden in every corner of this world. Your tears are not ignored, your prayers are not unheard. Every pain you carry, Allah knows it. Never say it's over, because with Allah nothing is ever over. After every night, dawn comes. After every hardship, ease follows, promised by Allah Himself. So breathe, stand up again, trust your Lord, because losing hope in Allah was never the way of a believer. Allah Hafiz.